Welcome back to this new cabin.
So we're back at the cabin today, but look at this weather. It's horrible.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Oh, well.
Guess what we're doing today? She love that joke. So we're going to put this well pipe in today. We've been working since 7:30. It's probably 11 now. So we already got the pipe in, but we're backfilling around it. And we got a bunch of stuff we got to do today, but the weather is pretty crappy.
Yeah, the weather's not great at all. I thought it was gonna clear up and we were gonna have an okay day, just chilly, but it's raining, it's wet, it's cold. So yeah. But today's agenda is pretty much trying to get this well complete.
Yeah, we got everything to get the well all set all the way to the house. So it'd be great to get it all done today. You know, we're doing pretty good today, so we're just backfilling that, and then we gotta set the pump up and put the trench in to put the pipe in, heat tape, electrical wire to run the pump. We got much to do.
Yeah, and I was going to be sanding and staining and poly coating, but with this weather, I don't know now. So we might be able to set it up on the porch and like cover the porch and try and do it inside, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't want anything to drip on the porch because it's not the same color.
Okay, let's get to work.
All right, let's do this.
Where's she going?
We working?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, we got our 30-inch culvert pipe, and I drilled a bunch of holes in it. This end's gonna go down in the ground. We don't know how long it's gonna be yet. It ain't gonna be this long. But we got 2 loads of gravel, which is a little wrong stuff, but came from a different pit than the other stuff came from, so it's a different color and there's bigger rocks in it, which isn't ideal. Took one tree down that was kind of in the way, and then I've been digging this out even more. Everything fell in it when we were gone. All the rocks that were around, the water's been, running in it all week. Good thing we got back here in a week and not 2 weeks, because all this stuff just keeps falling in. All these rocks around it, like this big rock here was in it this morning, and so was this one, plus a bunch more. And then look at, very dangerous. There's nothing underneath this tree over here. This tree here, I stepped like right here, I went through the moss, and there's nothing there. But the water is flowing good, that's for sure. So I'm bailing to her, and she's shoveling on the other side because I can't reach around the pipe with this excavator. So she's shoveling all around the back.
So I filled in all around the well, so the water is gone now, and we've got it buttoned up, and Mike is now cutting the well to size, and then I think we're gonna pump it after.
Do you want to do the honors?
Of what?
Knocking this tree over?
Tree?
Ready?
Hold on, I'm not ready.
Move. Grab it. So let's go to him, because he's gonna. 1, 2, 3. Stick it right in there. Any water?
Yeah. Not too shabby.
No.
Are you gonna pump it?
pump it. Buddy.
Gross.
Okay, let's hang that right there.
Okay.
See. Anything coming out the other end? Oh yeah.
So we're pumping out the dirty water so fresh water can come in now that we've got like the gravel in there to filter it.
It was all clay. That's the bottom.
Oh, it was sucking up the clay and got stuck?
Yeah.
Like suction?
Is that good coming out down there? I can't tell.
I'll go check. Yeah, it's coming out still.
It's deeper than I thought it was gonna be. Nice.
Sweet.
$200 for that.
For the cover?
Yeah.
Nice.
I like it.
It's good.
Yeah. Okay, so update.
We just got back from having a snack.
So went to town, got a red hot dog and a coffee.
And the beanie came out because
It's chilly out.
it's chilly.
So I'm working on trenching from the well. See, I started, maybe I'm 20 or 30 feet in. Going to the house to run the pipe.
We stopped at the in-laws and I grabbed some cardboard for the front porch because I need to restain our skirting boards. Mike did a quick coat at home, but they're not dark enough. You can see like through the stain still. So I gotta restain them, and if they dry, I can top coat them, but we're doing it on the porch because it's just too
It's like,
damp
looks like it's
out.
gonna rain any second. So
Yeah.
if she's doing that in the rain, it's not gonna go good.
It's been sprinkling all day, so there's a chance that it's going to start up at any moment. So we are just going to do it on the front porch and have like the porch covered and put them on sawhorses so that we can keep it clean up there.
Yeah.
But that's what we're working on now. So Mike's doing the trench work, I'll do the staining, and the goal is to
I try to run the pipe, the heat tape, and the wire that goes from the house to the well.
yeah.
So that'll be great if we can get all that in.
So stay tuned, but it's a very uncomfortable day.
Yeah, crappy day to work.
Look at that butt. Oh, we got a new pole.
New pull rope, but I didn't get a battery, so I got this jump pack thing on
Oh.
it, but it's still not that great.
So this is the setup, but look how light these are. You can't even, doesn't even look like a stain. Well, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do it outside. It's not raining right now, and I just don't want the floor to get dirty on the porch. So back outside it is. So I only did one coat of the stain since Mike did it, and it already looks so much better. Check it out. What a difference. What are you trying to do now?
See where the foam is, so hit the foam with the excavator.
Oh. What'd you say?
Hit the foam.
The plan to not hit the foam?
Huh?
The plan was to not hit the foam?
Yeah.
And then you hit the foam.
Right.
Bummer.
Whatever.
It is what it is. Wow, look at this yard.
Yeah, I made a mess pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, holy moly.
Yeah.
Wow. But I'm over here making some wood look good. Doesn't that look better already?
Yeah.
Nice and dark compared to before.
Okay, grab the pipe. We're heading down the trench.
Jeez, this thing goes on forever.
Got a lot of heat taping to do. Are you done staining? Okay, we got the pipe running down the trench, but Nicole's got to put some heat tape on it, and we got to run the 12-2 wire to run it, the pump. So she's gonna have to get her mucking boots on. You gotta get your mucking boots on.
I didn't bring them.
You're gonna have some soggy feet.
I already do. What are y'all doing?
Your job. You should be heat taping.
Heat tape? That's the blue?
Yeah. It's the closest I've ever trusted you with a knife next to me, that's for sure.
Why? I cook dinner every night.
No, yeah, your fingers. I'm worried about my fingers.
So we're just wrapping the heat tape. And the cabin came with a spot for the heat tape to go right into and a switch. Wasn't there a switch?
There's a breaker. It's just either on or...
But that's good.
Yeah, because there's a switch on the heat tape.
Nice.
This is awesome. I gotta get that in the house.
Yes.
Yeah, we can't get nothing down there. Oh, let me take the cap off this way.
Pull that pipe up a little bit.
What? Huh?
Right now.
Do one like in between that last one, like tape.
What?
Right over here and almost off of that feed.
Stop.
So you just keep rolling, but really slow.
Roll it or unroll it?
Roll it. All right, Sunday morning.
Good morning.
Better weather today, no
Yeah.
rain.
Nice.
We got a little fire going to keep us warm, but
Yeah, it's a little chilly, but anything's better than rain.
yep. And then this morning already, I covered the rest of the well pipe up that is going from the house to the well and insulated that and got that all covered up. But we ran out of material, so we got to get some gravel in today, this week.
Today I already poly coated the skirting.
Okay, Nicole's putting the top poly sealer coat on for the outside. You can see the difference. She hasn't done this one yet. And then she rolls. Yeah, she rolls it and then she brushes it and gets the bubbles out and soaks it right in.
We stained it yesterday as a double coat and now it is all polyed, so we're letting it dry and hopefully we can get it put on the house later today, but that just depends on how quick it dries.
Yeah, we're packing up. You know, we got to drag that trailer home and get everything packed up that we're not going to use, and then maybe we'll try to get that siding on before we hit the road.
Yeah, that would be nice, but we're gonna work on a few more things, so stay tuned, stick around, and see what's next.
So we put this pipe in here today, and that's what we're going to hang the pump off of. So the well pump will get hung off of that pipe.
What do you think?
Not bad.
Oh, that's pretty good. All right, that's a wrap on our weekend here in Maine.
Yeah, great weekend. Got a bunch done. Got the well in.
Yeah, we're sitting on it.
Sitting on it.
Oh!
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's not complete, but it's pretty dang close.
Yeah, we got like all the big stuff done, so that's great. And
Yeah.
then it's getting cold now, so we're kind of ready to call it a day anyway.
Yeah, but we don't have any more stuff we can actually get accomplished today that is ready for us here. But as you can see over there, look at the house. You can see some of the skirtings up from the back to the side. We still have a lot more to do, but it's coming out pretty good.
Yeah, we did 2 12-foot sections today, so that's awesome. And we took some measurements for some stuff we gotta bring home and we'll do at home to have ready for when we come up next time. Yeah, next time we come up, we're gonna work on the well stuff, but for in the house, where it gets hooked up in the house, and probably hang the pump that's in here, that's gotta go in here too.
Yeah, so I don't know if we ever talked about what we're doing, but we are building a closet inside the house to put the well tank in there just to prevent it from freezing. And it'll be a nice little storage closet in the house as well.
Yeah, so we're gonna build that closet, get a well tank, and set up all the pressure switches and everything like that in the house. And the heat tape is from here to underneath the house, but we still gotta go do all the piping that's under the house. It's gotta get heat tape wrapped too.
Yeah, but lots of exciting things to come. We're getting closer and closer to being able to live in the cabin. I might even start cleaning it next time we're here, but I still have a lot of skirting to do, so we'll see. It's not like dirty, it just, there's some like wood dust residue, so I'd like to clean that up before we, you know, start stocking it at all.
Thanksgiving's coming. We're gonna have a big turkey dinner in there. No?
I'm a vegetarian. But I would cook a turkey dinner for everyone else. We're just not ready for that yet. But we are going to be here for Thanksgiving as well. So a few more weekends of work here before the snow gets...
I think it's supposed to snow this week.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be a heavy snow though. So maybe septic soon.
I'd love to get a septic tank in before it's like really winter.
Yeah.
But I don't know. We'll see what happens.
If we can get the septic in here, we'll be staying here this winter. So
yeah, pretty much, really.
Yeah.
So
because we can run it off the generator if we can't dig the electrical this winter.
Yeah, it'd be awesome to get that tank in, because then snowmobile season's in like 2 months, 3 months maybe, I don't know. But
Yeah.
We'd be able to snowmobile all winter if we could get that septic tank in.
It'd be awesome. So
We'd probably not snowmobile. We'd probably just come up and work on the house.
we'd probably just hang out because
Yeah.
we have a nice house to hang out in.
Go snowshoeing.
Yeah. It's exciting. Subscribe, stick around for all the fun stuff to come.
See if we beat the frost.
Yeah, let's see if we beat it. But spring too is going to be awesome because I have big plans for the yard.
Yeah, in 2028.
We'll see you next time.
All right, let's get it.
Where is it? Moose. Hi, buddy. Oh, it's looking at me. You see him? Hi, honey.